Good morning, student. Today we will see practice set 19, standard 6, subject math. Hi, I am Vivek. Good morning to everyone. Today we will see practice set 19 of subject math, standard 6. So, earlier we have completed 5 chapters. First is basic concept in geometry, second is angles, third is integers, fourth is fraction, fifth is operation on decimal fraction, and now sixth chapter is going to be study is called as bar graph. In Marathi we say sthambalek. How to draw bar graph we can see here. It is very simple. You know the bar graph or graph paper. With the help of graph paper, we will draw a bar graph. It is a very simple question from standard 6 to standard 10th also. It is very simple. When you understand this, how to draw it, then even a student of standard first also can draw it delightfully. So I will tell you again how to draw a bar graph. So open your book and see on page number 38, practice set 19. Problem is that I am reading problem here now. The names of the heads of some families in a village and the quantity of drinking water their family consumes in one day are given below. Here is some chart and their head of the family is given here. Draw a bar graph for this data. Using this data, we have to complete the bar graph with the help of this data. On page number 38, here are the names of family head. First family is Ramesh, second family is Shobhas, third family is Ayub's, fourth family is Julie, and sixth family is Rahul. So they consumed water per day is given here. Ramesh family spends 30 liter, Shobha's family spends 60 liter, Ayub's family spends 40 liter, Julie's family spent 50 liter, and Rahul's family spent or consumes 55 liters. So first of all, we have a bar graph or a graph paper like this. Here is y-axis and here is x-axis, here is a 0. On y-axis, scale is given to you. Here on y-axis, scale is given to you. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liters of water. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liters of water. So water is taking on y-axis here. Here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1 cm. Suppose this is 1 centimeter. So each 1 centimeter contain 10 liters of water. On y-axis are the head of their family. Suppose this is Ramesh family. So it indicates R. One is gap more. Then Shobha's family. It indicates yes. Then Ayu's family, it indicates A. Then Julie's family, it indicates J, sorry. And then last Rahul family. So R is double here, so we take here RA, Rahul. And RE for Ramesh. This is head of the family. First is Ramesh family, second is Shobha's family, third is Ayub's family, fourth is Julie's family, and fifth is what do we say that? Rahul's family. So in the given data, Shobha's family consumes 30 liters of water. So with the help of scale here, Shobha's family consumes 30 liters here. So 1 minute here. Yes, Shobha, Ramesh family consumes 30 liter of water here. So put the scale on 30 liter here and it continue like this. So this is the Ramesh family consumes 30 liter water per day. Now Shobha's family consumes 60 liter water. Suppose this is Shobha's family, 60 liter. Here 60 liter lines was taken here. On the graph paper this is very easy to you. So it is very difficult to draw it with the help of scale again. This is Ramesh family 30 liter. This is Shobha's family 60 liter. I am writing on the top of the bar for understanding for viewers. In the bar graph it is not necessary. Then Ayush family consumes 40 liter. Here is 40 again. You look on y-axis, here is 40. So Ayush family is here. So again we connect this to Ayush family. So this is Ayub's family, which was consumes 40 liter of water. Then Julie's family 50 liter consumes per day. Here is Julie's family once again. (50 liter per day). And lastly, Rahul's family consumes, as per our data, 55 liters. Here is 50 and here is 50. And 55 is in between 50 and 60. So here is the 55 liter for Rahul's family. So this is the bar graph of given data, 55 liters. So here is the Ramesh family 30 liters, Shobha's family 60 liter, Ayush family 40 liter, Julie's family 50 liters, and Rahul's family is 55 liters. So this is the data for the bar graph, and bar graph is here in front. To decorate this, you can use another trick here. So suppose you do these things like this, and with the help of this bar graph we can answer many questions, like which family consumes more water per day or most water per day, like this. So with the help of bar graph we can tell it which family consumes at least water in per day. You can also say it in a one glass of ice. So here is, you can make it for decorative, it is not necessary. So in this way we can draw a bar graph. Bar graph having two axes, one is y is vertical axis, and x axis is horizontal axis. Here is the starting point of here. So these are the bar graph. We can see in this how to draw a bar graph. Thanks once again. If you have any type of doubt, please call me anytime, any day. Love to all. Thanks.